Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning. I did, but I had the strangest dream.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning. I did, but I had the strangest dream.
Really? What was it about?
I can't remember exactly, but it was something about us traveling.
Really? What was it about?
I can't remember exactly, but it was something about us traveling.
Maybe it's a sign we should plan a trip soon.
I'd love that. Where should we go?
Maybe it's a sign we should plan a trip soon.
I'd love that. Where should we go?
How about somewhere warm, like the beach?
That sounds perfect. I could use some sunshine.
How about somewhere warm, like the beach?
That sounds perfect. I could use some sunshine.
Me too. But first, coffee.
Yes, please. I'll make it. How do you want yours?
Me too. But first, coffee.
Yes, please. I'll make it. How do you want yours?
Just black today, thanks.
Coming right up. Did you see the weather forecast for today?
Just black today, thanks.
Coming right up. Did you see the weather forecast for today?
I think it's supposed to be sunny. Maybe we can take a walk later.
That would be nice. We haven't done that in a while.
I think it's supposed to be sunny. Maybe we can take a walk later.
That would be nice. We haven't done that in a while.
True. It's good to get some fresh air, especially after a busy week.
Speaking of which, do you have any meetings today?
True. It's good to get some fresh air, especially after a busy week.
Speaking of which, do you have any meetings today?
Just one in the afternoon. How about you?
I have a couple in the morning, but I'll be free by lunch.
Just one in the afternoon. How about you?
I have a couple in the morning, but I'll be free by lunch.
Perfect. We can have lunch together then.
I was thinking the same. How about that new place we wanted to try?
Perfect. We can have lunch together then.
I was thinking the same. How about that new place we wanted to try?
Sounds great. I've heard good things about their sandwiches.
I can't wait to try it. By the way, did you take the trash out?
Sounds great. I've heard good things about their sandwiches.
I can't wait to try it. By the way, did you take the trash out?
Not yet. I'll do it right after breakfast.
Thanks. I'll handle the dishes then.
Not yet. I'll do it right after breakfast.
Thanks. I'll handle the dishes then.
Deal. Have you seen my blue tie? I can't find it anywhere.
I think it's in the laundry basket. Do you need it today?
Deal. Have you seen my blue tie? I can't find it anywhere.
I think it's in the laundry basket. Do you need it today?
Yeah, I have that client meeting, and I want to look sharp.
I'll get it washed and ironed for you right now.
Yeah, I have that client meeting, and I want to look sharp.
I'll get it washed and ironed for you right now.
Thanks, you're the best.
No problem. Anything else you need?
Thanks, you're the best.
No problem. Anything else you need?
Just some luck for the meeting. It's a big one.
You've got this. You'll do great, like always.
Just some luck for the meeting. It's a big one.
You've got this. You'll do great, like always.
I hope so. What are your plans after work?
I thought I'd do some grocery shopping. We're running low on a few things.
I hope so. What are your plans after work?
I thought I'd do some grocery shopping. We're running low on a few things.
Good idea. Do we need anything special for dinner tonight?
I was thinking of making pasta. We haven't had that in a while.
Good idea. Do we need anything special for dinner tonight?
I was thinking of making pasta. We haven't had that in a while.
Pasta sounds amazing. I'll grab some wine on my way back.
That would be perfect. It'll make for a nice evening.
Pasta sounds amazing. I'll grab some wine on my way back.
That would be perfect. It'll make for a nice evening.
Agreed. What time do you think you'll be home?
Probably around 6. What about you?
Agreed. What time do you think you'll be home?
Probably around 6. What about you?
I should be home by 5:30, just in time to start dinner.
Great. I'm already looking forward to it.
I should be home by 5:30, just in time to start dinner.
Great. I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. It's nice to have a relaxing evening after a busy day.
Definitely. Maybe we can watch a movie afterward?
Me too. It's nice to have a relaxing evening after a busy day.
Definitely. Maybe we can watch a movie afterward?
That sounds like a plan. Do you have any movies in mind?
Not sure yet. Maybe something light and funny?
That sounds like a plan. Do you have any movies in mind?
Not sure yet. Maybe something light and funny?
A comedy would be perfect. We could use a good laugh.
Absolutely. Oh, I almost forgot. Did you pay the electricity bill?
A comedy would be perfect. We could use a good laugh.
Absolutely. Oh, I almost forgot. Did you pay the electricity bill?
Yes, I did it online last night.
Thanks for taking care of that. I appreciate it.
Yes, I did it online last night.
Thanks for taking care of that. I appreciate it.
No problem. It's nice to split the responsibilities.
It really is. We're a good team.
No problem. It's nice to split the responsibilities.
It really is. We're a good team.
We are. I wouldn't want to do this with anyone else.
Same here. You make everything easier.
We are. I wouldn't want to do this with anyone else.
Same here. You make everything easier.
And you make everything better.
We should probably get going if we want to be on time.
And you make everything better.
We should probably get going if we want to be on time.
You're right. I'll grab my keys and we can head out.
Do you want me to drop you off at work today?
You're right. I'll grab my keys and we can head out.
Do you want me to drop you off at work today?
That would be nice, thanks. It's on your way anyway.
No problem. It's always better when we drive together.
That would be nice, thanks. It's on your way anyway.
No problem. It's always better when we drive together.
Agreed. It gives us a little more time together before the day gets hectic.
Exactly. Ready to go?
Agreed. It gives us a little more time together before the day gets hectic.
Exactly. Ready to go?
Ready. Let's have a great day.
You too. And don't forget to text me if you need anything.
Ready. Let's have a great day.
You too. And don't forget to text me if you need anything.
I will. See you at lunch.
Can't wait. Love you.
I will. See you at lunch.
Can't wait. Love you.
Love you too. Drive safe. Love you too. Drive safe.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!